Today's video is about dividing fractions again, but this time we need to turn mixed fractions into improper fractions. This is another thing that we were working on before school got let out, so this is not new. This is all review. Okay, so in case we forgot, a mixed fraction is a whole number and a proper fraction combined. So you're going to have to forgive this right here. It looks a little wonky, but 1 is the whole number, 3/4 is the proper fraction. Okay, so what do? How do we convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction? Well, we do the opposite of how we turn a improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So we're going to multiply the whole number by the fraction's denominator. So that's the bottom here. So 4 times 1, and then we're going to add that to the numerator. So 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. And then you write the results on top of the denominator. So 7/4. If you have your math notebooks, you should have all that information in there. Okay, so the example is kind of partly done for us, but if I were you, or I'm not if I were you, but it's a little confusing, so I'm going to go over step by step. Once again, I'm using my laptop to make these, so my fractions and numbers are going to look kind of weird. Okay, so first thing we have right here is 5 6/7. Actually, I'm sorry, 3/14 divided by 5 6/7. We need to turn this into this. So how do we go ahead and how do we do that? Well, I wrote it out again. And then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number, which is 5 times 7, which is 35. And then we're going to add that to the numerator. So 35 plus 6 is 41. That's how they got 41 over here. So now I kind of have it set up like they do over here, except for I haven't turned the divisor into a reciprocal yet. So we have 41/7 and 3/14. So now what do we got to do? We got to change this to the reciprocal. So now it's 41/7 times 14/3. Now these are some pretty big numbers. So what I'm going to do is I am going to reduce before multiplying. So I know that 3 can't go into 41, but I do know that 14 can go into 7. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 divided by 14 is 2. So now we have 41 ones times 2/3. Still a pretty large number, but it's better than multiplying 41 times 14. Okay, so now we need to multiply across. So 41 times 2 is 82, and 1 times 3 is 3. So now what we have here is a improper fraction. So we have to go ahead and we have to change that, and we do that by dividing the denominator by the numerator. And you're going to have to do a little bit of long division. And I know that 3 can go into 83 27 times with 1 left over. So this is our remainder. And this is our denominator. Hopefully this has been helpful, and I will be posting the answers later today. Hope you have a good day.